Vinyl records have made a remarkable comeback, and as more enthusiasts rediscover the tactile pleasure of spinning grooves, the demand for high-quality automatic turntables is growing. Whether you're a casual listener, a seasoned collector, or someone who simply wants plug-and-play convenience.
List number 1. Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK Fully Automatic Belt Drive Turntable. The Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK is a standout choice for beginners and casual vinyl enthusiasts seeking a seamless playback experience. With its fully automatic belt drive mechanism, it eliminates the need for manual tone arm placement. Just press start and your record plays with precision. The aluminum platter provides stable rotation, reducing vibration and ensuring rich, consistent sound quality. Its dual magnet cartridge with a replaceable stylus delivers a crisp, balanced tone across all frequencies, bringing warmth to your favorite records. The AT-LP60X-BK also includes a built-in switchable phono preamp, allowing connection to powered speakers or receivers with ease. Design-wise, it sports a minimalist matte black finish that complements any decor, while the push-button controls make operation intuitive. Whether you're rediscovering old LPs or starting a new collection, this model provides exceptional performance at an affordable price.
List number 2. Audio-Technica AT-LP70X Automatic Turntable. The Audio-Technica AT-LP70X takes the brand's reliability and elevates it with refined components and a modern design. This fully automatic turntable combines convenience with superior sound fidelity, making it perfect for those who appreciate both simplicity and sonic precision. Featuring a DC servo-controlled motor and die-cast aluminum platter, the AT-LP70X ensures smooth, vibration-free rotation. Its advanced VM95E cartridge provides improved tracking accuracy and a dynamic sound signature that captures every nuance in your vinyl. The turntable's high-damping bass construction minimizes low-frequency feedback, offering clean playback even at higher volumes. Another major advantage is its built-in phono preamp and adjustable output, which gives users flexibility to connect to a variety of audio systems. Aesthetically, it sports a sleek, professional appearance with well-designed control buttons for start, stop, and speed change, 33 1/3 and 45 RPM.
List number 3. Crosley T400D-BK Fully Automatic Bluetooth Turntable. The Crosley T400D-BK merges vintage charm with modern technology, offering vinyl lovers the best of both worlds. Its fully automatic design allows you to enjoy effortless playback. Just press a button and the tone arm does the rest. What sets it apart is its built-in Bluetooth transmitter, enabling wireless connection to Bluetooth speakers or headphones. The T400D features a die-cast aluminum platter and belt drive mechanism for steady playback and reduced resonance. Its adjustable pitch control is a welcome addition, letting you fine-tune speed accuracy for an authentic analog feel. The included Audio-Technica magnetic cartridge produces rich, detailed audio, making it ideal for both vintage records and modern pressings. Visually, the T400D-BK exudes retro appeal with a minimalist black finish and solid construction. It's perfect for small spaces or casual listening setups.
List number 4. Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK Fully Automatic Turntable. For those who love the convenience of modern tech, the Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK offers a flawless blend of analog warmth and digital flexibility. This fully automatic turntable with Bluetooth lets you stream vinyl directly to wireless speakers, soundbars, or headphones, no cables required. The belt drive system ensures quiet operation, while the dual magnet cartridge and diamond stylus deliver crystal clear audio reproduction. You'll also find a built-in switchable phono preamp, enabling both wired and wireless setups. The device supports Qualcomm aptX codec, ensuring high-quality Bluetooth transmission without sacrificing sound fidelity. In terms of design, its matte black finish gives it a sleek, minimalist look, suitable for any modern home or studio. Whether you're an audiophile or a casual listener, the ATLP60XBT-BK makes vinyl listening effortless and elegant.
List number 5. Audio-Technica ATLP60X-BW Fully Automatic Belt Drive Stereo Turntable. The Audio-Technica ATLP60X-BW combines the ease of automation with the elegance of a brown-black wood grain finish, adding a touch of sophistication to your music setup. Its fully automatic belt drive system allows simple operation. Press start and enjoy smooth, distortion-free playback. Equipped with the AT dual magnet cartridge and replaceable diamond stylus, this model produces excellent tonal balance and sound clarity. The anti-resonance aluminum platter minimizes vibration, while the built-in phono preamp ensures compatibility with a wide range of powered speakers and audio systems. This turntable is ideal for anyone who values both performance and style. The wood grain design gives it a premium feel, while the automatic mechanism ensures you can enjoy your records with minimal effort.